I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to set your iPhone's wallpaper for your lock screen or home screen.
If this video helped you, consider subscribing and like this video so others can find it too.
First, open your Settings app, then scroll down and tap Wallpaper. Right here in the middle, tap Add New Wallpaper. You can select any category like the featured options, weather, kaleidoscope, emoji, and many more. Also on the very top here, there's different categories that you can choose from to make it much simpler as well. Once you've chosen an option, let's say this kaleidoscope option, for example, you can choose between different styles by sliding over and it gives you different colors and options. You can select this circular icon right here and choose either automatic, light, or dark to change the appearance. That's what light looks like, that's what dark looks like, and then automatic I have set to dark. You can add widgets in the center icon right here, things like weather or email or Instagram and so on and so forth. Once you're ready, you can click the add icon on the top right, then you'll select set as wallpaper pair and you will be all set and finished right there. This is now your current wallpaper.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.